I am back at the Burro Trail. It is not nice. It's cold. I have my leggings on, my nice warm leggings, and my Tasco socks. I've not been on my bike since Sedona, which was early March. It's now late April, April 28th. Date will always be in this corner or this corner or that corner somewhere. It's cold. So we're gonna fly around this trail probably very slowly because, you know, it's cold. I just really don't feel like it, but let's hop on my bike, run this trail backwards. I'm actually gonna start here this time. Normally I go that way. This time I'm gonna start going this way. I wanna do a warm up that way, and then I'll go this way. I'll figure it out. Oak Ridge Mountain Bike Trails. We are going backwards. Oh. Oh. I have not gone backwards on this trail in like 3 years. Oh shit. That's probably one of my biggest downfalls, is not riding this trail backwards. Something I need to do more often. So around the so I ran the trail the other way, did it twice. First time sucked. Second time was a 26:36 or some crap like that. Something, what a minute 10 off from my personal best. Oh man, this is weird. This way? Yeah, this way. There's those rocks. Oh, no wonder why I'm slow here. This goes downhill. What's going on here? Oh. Ah! Yeah, I know about this. Oh, please be a bag. Oh, it's a tire. Yeah, when I entered the park, it says spring is here, bears are awake. It's bear season, people. You're down. Come on. What the? Whoa, shit! Oh, this is horrible. Oh, I'm in too small of a gear. Where am I? Where am I? What's going on? I don't think I've ridden this trail backwards on this bike. So, I think I'm guaranteed a personal best. As long as I turn my Strava on. So that was that. We're going straight. Whoa! Straight turns hard. Trail feels like it's flying by. Oh shit. Lovely sound effects. There's that crazy corner. Oh, here we go. Come on. I wiped out there twice earlier. Oh, all the fun downs become sucky climbs. Higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. I'm gonna go high. Always go high. Sand is not as deep going high. This part I've ran backwards a couple times. Normally when I have bike problems or I feel my Strava's gonna just not work out, I'll come out this way. Oh. Here's this. Whoa, yeah. Oh yeah, that sound effect is going in the video. Oh, that's tight. That's it. That's the Burrock in reverse. Ah. Let you go. So I'm just leaving the Burr Oak after my running it in reverse or clockwise. Clockwise? Reverse from what I normally do. I've only ran it once, it turned out, in September 2015, 27th or something like that. I think I ran it in like 35 something minutes, and I'm driving now. I did it in 28 something minutes, so how to destroy your Strava. It was different. I ran into a buddy that I work with, and we did a little cool down lap afterwards. And I'm off to go get some food in my tum-tum, and then I gotta buy food and then cook it for tomorrow for go to work. Today I was only 8 above, but that was fun. I'm gonna run it backwards more throughout the year, so hopefully my personal best time does not stand for too long. I got some other stuff I need to set up, and I gotta go eat, so I'm just gonna let you go, and holding this GoPro out fully extended is making my arm tired. Take care, and you know what to do: like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell, get notifications when I post my videos. I'm trying to post them more often because it's summer, and other than that, once winter comes, I'll break them up a little bit farther apart, just because I can't keep it up in winter. And take care, have fun,